25 things I love about you.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you!
Thank you. He's mad at me because I went in my room where I work and found the present.
She spoiled my presents.
Well, you
Her
could have
spray.
told me not to go in there. I was just watering my plants. It wasn't snooping, I just wanted to water my plant. I'm propagating in there. What is this? Who is this?
Why are you so angry? It's your birthday. Jeez.
You're mad at me.
You ruined the surprise.
Well, I didn't mean to ruin the surprise, and then you got mad at me for ruining the surprise. What is this? Who is this?
It's your friends.
Who is my friend?
It's your friends.
I can't see very well.
Morning.
Morning.
You have fans.
Who did you invite?
It's your birthday.
Puppy!
I got you a puppy.
You got me a puppy?
I need you to open it, please.
Happy birthday.
Hi, thank you.
It's just a delivery. Good morning.
Morning.
Whoops. You found the place okay? Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Salamat kayo.
Can I pat your dog?
Can I take picture?
Sure. Thank you.
Tita Earns in the house.
Zowie.
Hey.
Greet my new little Zowie. Here. Also wants to be.
Woo.
Yeah, we'll be both of us together now, nah.
Tita babysat Knock for 2 nights and she had no sleep. Kay malito kayo.
Yeah? What? A cage? We will put her in a cage? Oh no, not that.
We need to get a cage.
Yeah, we need one.
Alright, time for Zoe to open up her presents. She already snooped and went inside earlier and saw them, but she'll act surprised. Duba.
Didn't expect this.
Mm.
Well, where could it be?
I think another one.
Surprise! Whoa! Woohoo! Dang, what do we got here? What? Is that your own thing of Devondale milk? Woo! Wow, your very
Wow.
own SSD.
Thank you.
Is it birch tree or bear band? It was bear band, huh?
No, it's birch tree.
Oh, that was 50-50
I love
guess.
birch tree. Lily, Team Birch Tree. Should watch this.
What else we got?
Some cookies.
Oh, dairy milk.
It's my favorite. It's also my favorite. Wait, what? Look.
Get some load.
Oh.
Adik. The big boy.
Thank you.
And
And
it's 25 things I love about you.
Okay.
oh, I won't read them here because it's embarrassing.
Yeah, you'll be
It's
embarrassed.
sweet for me only.
And where's your flowers? That was supposed to be part of your
But we already
present.
showed them.
Yeah, but it looks cooler if it's here.
Oh.
Nope, it's okay.
And they're the plants that I wanted to water. It's not a myth. That's why I came here.
Alright, we're at the loudest place in the world currently.
This is the worst place to vlog.
But we are getting Zoe's cake for her birthday. Sans rival.
Take this off so you can hear me. Oh, what's it, sweaty?
You're good.
Huh?
You're good.
Okay. So we are in the original Sans Rival. These 4 corners is all Sans Rival. Used to be, not in there, just this little part here. So of course I got my birthday cake from Sans Rival because it's the best in Dumaguete and I love their carrot cake. So yeah, we're just going on a bit of a tour of what was, because they have expanded a lot since 1977.
Alright, so we're here at Villa Amani, aka the beach house of the landlord of our Airbnb. She's letting us stay here for 2 nights out of the goodness of her heart for Mom Joey. And we are currently whipping up something for lunch, even though it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So we got some big slab of meat, some steak. Tita, do you like a steak? Or a beef steak?
All.
All.
Just give the woman some meat.
So-
Again and again.
Again and again. So this is their kitchen. Really nice. This is also up on Airbnb if you guys want to come rent this out for a night or 2 or more.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies.
Sige, so kami ni Tita Ernst bahala sa steak. A steak na dako. Dili na siya a beef steak, guys. Steak yun eh. Nagpalit mi ani sa Bell Chris. Oh yeah. Dako oy. Dako pa sa imong naong. Saman, dua-dua lang? Or tanan? Tanan na? Not a bad grill spot. Right in front of Apo Island.
And look
They
at
have a
Pai.
Pai.
Are you sure this is Pai?
Kau ba na po ang gwapo na amigo na mo? Si Awis.
Sample.
Tita Ernst.
Oh, it's a Pai. See? Sample. Oh.
Like yan.
Moso.
Like this
Oh.
time, like this.
Init.
Sige.
Oh, Miss Tita Ernst.
Muna siya ilang yuta dire. May pool. Gwapo na balay. This is Nock's first time to be able to sori-sori outside. And this is what he's into. Nock, get out of there. Get out of there. Malito, apirdi ay. Maldito kayo. Huy! Gawas na. Psst. Sige, diyan lang ka. And this is our pañoto / pañapon because we have not eaten and it's what, 4 o'clock? 4:30. Steak. What do you call this?
It has the Filipino ensaladang
Something with talong. Potato salad. Bread. Sausage. Soft drinks.
Mekan.
Tita Ernst. Awis. Asa man si Kwan? Si Jep? Tawagi siya? Knock! Alright, so the crew is here. Look at this platter of meat.
Carnivore platter.
Always nakakaon kag steak. A steak.
Steak.
Oh.
Dili beef steak.
Parang pwede sa lain po itong lungsilog.
Oh, lahi ni siya. Pero baka gyapon.
Okay.
Lami gyapon, okay gyapon. Sige.
Asa mo to? Ato, susuroy.
Sorry.
Pasal-pasal.
Naligo si Zoe. She took a shower. She dipped in the bath. Di ka pa mag-English. She went for a swim
In the pool.
because it's in it.
They're cooking.
Alright. Kaon na ta. Kaon na. Zoe's trying to put him in the bathroom because she's nervous.
Good boy. Good boy. Stop fighting, huh? There. Why are you wet?
This is his calming vest.
It makes him run around less so I can stop thinking he's running away. So I'm gonna eat.
Look at him.
Just chill there, Knock.
Alright. Padayon. Padayon to makaon.
Mga inani man.
Unsay imong isulti storya lami man?
Nami.
Okay man. Ikaw tita?
Chada.
Okay ra ang steak?
Mag-ano-tano na tayo rin.
Okay ra unta?
Okay naman taong na ako.
Are you gonna start it or not?
No, you have to open the cake first.
Why?
Because then I put it in.
It's not lit.
It's lit.
It's lit.
How was your sleep, Tita? Nalipong niya? Wow.
That's my dream. That's
Where's it? Where's it?
Alright, so shout out to Sans Rival. They sponsored this cake for Mom Joey.
Thank you. It's carrot cake, my favorite.
She bought this entire cake at the beginning of lockdown. Not for her birthday, she was just
Craving cake.
she was just
So I
being
got a whole
clumsy.
cake. It was awesome. It was the best thing ever.
This is actually a very moist cake. Everyone loves that word.
Very moist.
Dang, that is the classiest carrot cake I've ever seen.
Happy birthday.
Not yet. Light it. It's lit.
Why is there aircon? What's happening? Wait, why are you aircon?
Don't you know how to use a lighter?
I do.
All right, Tita, start us off.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Again.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo! COVID.
I don't know how to cover.
Again. Yeah! Woo! Did you even wish?
It's a magic.
I'm gonna wish this one out loud. For Kyrie to unbreak his toe.
You want to explain?
My dog broke his toe at home, so my wish is that his toe gets better quickly.
Well, no, it's
For the
not
sake-
because
For the sake of
your dad.
my dad. Not for him so much, but for my dad.
Yeah.
Looking after him. Okay.
Alright, count it out.
Oh.
Slice it and dice it.
A really small piece.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, don't touch the bottom or you have to kiss the nearest boy.
Prove it.
Anyone else? Is that a thing or just for my
Wait, don't touch the.
bottom? Or you have to kiss the nearest boy? Or girl if you're a boy.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, is that a whole like?
You have to kiss the nearest person of the opposite gender.
Thank you for being more specific.
Okay, you're welcome. Well, that's not half, whatever.
Alright.
I touched the bottom.
You have a lisp? Show us the cake. Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Look at that.
Chingy?
Shout out
Shout out
Chingy.
for Chini. Thank you, Mom.
Chingy.
Not Chingy, that's my manager.
Chini. It's Chini. That honestly looks amazing.
I'm kumain.
Naka-diabetes?
Wala, kay birthday ro ni
Wala. Basta birthday ni Zowie, wala na.
Which one are you?
Oh. Sige, tilaw. Nagkatilaw na ka? Wala pa?
Wala ka po dyan.
Sige na, go. Lami. Mura siya cake? Ano sa istorya ni mo? Awa pa ka nagkatilaw? Oh, tilaw sa. Wait sa. Lami good? Lami?
Lami.